Today is Thursday and time check. It's 5:49 a.m. I just woke up and today we're going to the beach. Gusto ko maligo early in the morning because I believe na it will help me. Kasi I was like doing a research and it stated there na the best time to swim is 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. It will help you like boost your energy and help you with the soreness and muscle pain. Like, I have muscle pain and right now I have back pain too. So let's get up and start preparing. Outfit check, and now I'm all set, so let's go. Bye bye. Guys, I'm on my way to the beach. Actually guys, di na ako nakapag-video on my way here kasi napakasikip na nung jeep. So, yeah, I'm here na. Ako makauban. Uy. So I'm with my two girlfriends. So hi guys.
Hello.
Ninia and Ina. So welcome to my vlog. Sing for more. Beauty, like, subscribe, and hit the notification below. Come on, let's go. Hey, come on, let's get to it.
I know you
We
can
can
do
do
it.
it. Hey,
Where are we
going.
Did you see the bug?
Bye-bye. Ang sama na ako, wala ko na lang.
Ayan, ayan.
Bye-bye. Hi everybody, we're here in Ate Maika's room.
Humuti mo.
Room raid.
Labasangal ko, lumot.
Uy, nag-video ba ako? Ignorante. Room raid. Room raid.
Masuya, doon may kwarto.
Room raid, guys. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. So, see ya and bye-bye. Mwah.